Welcome guys, in front of me I have HTC smartphone and I'm going to show you how we can get this beautiful edges lightning, but at the first I'm going to delete this application and then I'm going to show you how we can get it. So let's go for the Play Store, and here we have to get the application Edge Lightning Border Light Live Wallpaper from the Pixelcraft Studios. So let's install this application. Right now we can open it, and here we have to we can select the color. I think that I'm going to pick up this one and apply it on the home screen. We have to make this switcher available, so activate it to display it over the other apps. And here we get the animation speed, also the border size. I think this one looks cool. There's the bottom radius, so we can make it get around a little bit, and also the top radius. We can turn on the notch, and also we can change the border type, but I'm going to stay with this one, it's the best. So click to set as a wallpaper on the home screen. As you can see, here we get our Edge Lightning on the HTC smartphone. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!